expertise in the subject. So that'll be a good, hopefully good revision if nothing else anyway.
Yeah.
So what I was going to look at was percentages or a variation on those,
Right.
depending how kind of au fait you are with them.
Yeah. Okay.
And borrowing a couple of ideas from other things that Paul's probably been through previously with you. So I guess we'll maybe start. I think you can write on here and everything.
Yeah.
Let's see if we kick off with something fairly straightforward, like, I don't know, 10% of 190.
Yeah,
How would you?
19.
Yeah. So what's your kind of?
I just divided that by 10.
Dividing it by 10. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. No, that's so. Okay. And right. So yeah, that's kind of the basic starting point. So that's good to start with.
Yeah.
Now, what if we had something slightly more complicated? We'll kind of build up a little bit. So nothing that drastic. But what about 440% of? Okay, must be not too evil to start with. 40% of 330. What would be your?
So if I was doing it in my head, I would do divide by 10 and times it by 4. So
Yeah.
33. 12. 132. Yeah.
Yeah. Good stuff. So I might not have to dwell too long on this one potentially, but it's when we get to the more complicated ones, it's a good chance to use the. Can you remember the 2-digit multiplication method?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can basically show that off, and I'll be scratching my head shortly trying to come up with some extra subject material, really, seeing as Paul's obviously taught you well. Okay, so let's see if we've got 42% of, I don't know, something that doesn't immediately fall out, so,
Yeah.
okay, 42% of 87, what would be your process there?
Anything? I can't remember your method.
Okay, no worries, we'll go with
I'll go with the normal
for the minute.
That one, possibly.
So what are you working out there?
I was doing that way.
Oh right, the
Cross.
2-digit method, yeah.
Yeah.
So you got 16 and 28 is 44 plus 1.
Yeah, that's it. I can't remember if I carried that or not. Was that carrying? Can't remember.
Oh, the 4. Yeah, you probably want to carry the 4.
Oh, it's been screwed up. I lost it.
No, he was on the right line. Yeah. and then
Yeah.
that's it. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So, do you think that's right?
Possibly.
Yeah. So you got the number 33654. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, you're right with the method. It's 7 2s, multiply your last two digits to 14, then do the cross multiply, i.e. 4 sevens is 28, plus the 2 8s is 16 to give you 44. Add the 4 as your carry number, add the 4 to the 1 to give you the 5, and then multiply those two together and add your carry there, 36 to 54, so spot on.
Yeah.
Well remembered. Excellent stuff. So you've got the number 3654, and then you put the point in here because you've got to divide it by 100, so 36.54.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's basically the method that you can use for working out the percentage of any two-digit number, really. So that's pretty good. I mean, the other one is you could do a variation of this and do like 10% is 8.7, 40% multiplied by 4, and then work out 1% being divide that by 100. So you move decimal point twice to be 0.87. Multiply that by 2.
Yeah.
But if you can remember that method, then it's gonna work for this kind of thing, really. So
get straight there.
Which is it's quite a powerful kind of method, really, isn't it? So it's it makes life a lot easier, so long as you know your basic tables and everything, and work out the simple stuff. Then you can just apply that, really, which is pretty good. So should we try with well, we'll get you to do another one, something similar, and then we'll get you on doing some discounts and how approach those. Because there's a couple of different ways that you can try and do that. And one thing, just to as a general point, I suppose, just to make sure you're kind of on the right lines and putting your decimal in the right place. I mean, with one like that, it's not too difficult, but if you've got a percentage of a number like that, then you're always going to, if it's less than 100%, then you're looking for a smaller number. So basically, if this number was, say, I don't know, you thought, oh, is it 365.4? You know, it can't be that, because it's a number that's bigger than that one. So if you think of, I don't know, it's a bit less. Half of that is about 40 something. So it's going to be a bit less than that. So just as a bit of an estimate, it kind of tells you you're probably on the right lines with what you've done. Now, if you wanted to, can you remember how to check if it's the right answer? Yeah. Do you want to have a shot of that for us as well?
Can't remember if it added times.
Give it a try and see, and if it doesn't work, then so I've got those at 5 and 6 there. So that'll be what, 11.
Oh, do you time? Oh, do you add? Oh, yeah. 12. That's 9.
Well, it's all kind of right by default, because you'd have the 1 and 1 will be 2. Yeah.